Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And today in this video here I am going to showing that how to enable dark mode in your Snapchat. And at first you need to open your Snapchat in your device. And now here you can see this is our Snapchat, and after in the Snapchat you can see our profile and etc. And in this interface you can see more of the features are here: messaging, stories, videos and etc. And now let's check how to enable this dark mode in your Snapchat. And in our normal ways and in our normal application, for enabling this dark mode we need to just tap on this profile icon from here. And after that just tap on the settings. And after in the settings interface you can see that the appearance or this theme from here. And in this Snapchat there is no other options for enabling this dark mode from here. So here I am going to asking a help from this Snapchat from here. And just scroll down, and after that you can see option I need help. And you want to just tap on this I need help option from here. And after that in the top of this you can see a search engine, and you want to just type on this like this, dark mode. And after that you can see first of the question, and you want to just tap on this how to enable dark mode on Snapchat. And now here you can see they have been showing some of the steps for enabling this dark mode. And now let's read it. And here you can see the first of the step is you need to just tap on your settings. And the second one is app preference in your settings. And the third one is after that seeing this app preference you need to just tap on this dark mode option from this. And in the below of this all of the options you can see they have been saying that dark mode is currently only available for in iOS. And so we can't enable this dark mode in our Android, and the dark mode is only available in our iOS users. And here I have been using this our Android, so I can't use this dark mode in my Android device. So if you are using a iOS device you can enable this dark mode option in your Snapchat. And I hope you will enjoy our video, and thanks for watching our video.